Sneakerheads, guess what? I got my hands on the all-new super limited edition of New Balance 580 Urban Islander in collaboration with Singapore-based sneaker boutique Limited and designed by the famous artist Mr. Sabotage. This shoe is seriously so cool and the design is inspired by... damn. Cut. So let's dive into the materials. The shoe is made of... what is it made of, yeah? This is not working. Cut. Okay, what if I ask the designer himself, the amazing Sabotage, to tell us about this shoe? Let's go. Hello, welcome to India.
Welcome to Limited Edition. Yeah, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Did you just teleport here?
Yes, I did. So Mark, this is a beautiful silhouette. Tell me all about it. What is the inspiration behind the design of this sneaker?
First and foremost, Urban Islander is a wordplay to describe Singapore. So this, most of the time, is a conversation between me and Mandeep, and we came up with the name together. So this sneaker marks the 20 years that we've known each other. It's more of a symbol of that and the colors that we are feeling at the moment to wear, you know. So it's more like a symbol of friendship.
So tell us more about the materials of the shoe that you have used.
Okay, so the materials are hairy suede because I wanted like more textural. When you shoot it under sunlight, you get like more of a texture going on. And I wanted it to look less synthetic and more organic. So these are the materials that I chose. And if you see inside, there will be a pineapple print. Like we were, like you can see here, right? So we're from a tropical island. We like to wear Hawaiian shirts sometimes. And the pineapple print is something that we did on the first Urban Islander collab. And that we brought forward to the second one. So this is like the signature Urban Islander print. And we didn't want to put it outside this time, we want to put it inside, want to be subtle.
So Mark, you have said amazing things about this shoe and it's a beautiful silhouette, but are they comfortable?
I mean, I work out every week. I go play basketball, I skate, so my feet are recovering all the time. These are the most comfortable. You should try them on.
For sure.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Sizing is the same as your New Balance size. It has a bit of narrow toe box, so you can go for half size up. This pair retails at rupees 16,000 and is exclusively available at Limited Edition store in Delhi. It is definitely a call for me. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Sneakerheads, guess what? Welcome to India!
Oh, okay.
We'll do it again.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. You tell me cut, huh? So I'll stop. Don't go with the flow. Let me just change the camera position. Okay, done? Are we ready?